How to disable liquid glass on iOS 26. So there's two things that you can do. The first one is, first of all, get to your settings, and then from your settings scroll down, and then you can see the option of display and brightness. Tap on it. After doing that, here tap on liquid glass, and currently we have clear and tinted option. If you're on the clear one, you can simply tap on tinted and get it a little dark, just like this. So if I go back, and here you can see it has gotten a little dark. But if you want it completely dark, what you can do is again get to your settings, then go back to main settings, and then from here tap on accessibility. After doing that, tap on display and text size. Then after doing that, all you have to do is turn on this reduce transparency option, just like this. Now, if you go back here, you can see we have gotten it completely dark. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.